In this tutorial, we will cover the necessary installation steps to get Pegasus Simulator up and running. Start by download the Omniverse app image from NVIDIA website. Make sure the app image is marked as executable. Open the Omniverse app image and log into with your NVIDIA account. Go to the Exchange tab, select ICUAS and click Install. In addition to ICUAS, install the Cache app. After the installation is finished, open the Cache app settings to check if everything is running. Next, launch ICUAS to check if everything is running correctly. Now, let's add some environment variables to the bash.rc file, in order to make our life a little bit easier. In order to make sure that our changes are applied to the current bash session, source the bash.rc file. Now let's test if the commands are running as they are supposed to. Now that we have checked that our ICUAS installation is working correctly, let's clone the Pegasus Simulator repository. After this step, launch ICUAS either through the terminal command or through the NVIDIA Omniverse app image. On ICUAS, go to the Window tab, select Extensions, click the Settings button and add the path to the Pegasus Simulator repository that we have just cloned, followed by Extensions. Now, if we go to the third-party tab, you should notice that the Pegasus Simulator extension appears. Enable it and check the autoload option, in order to have it start automatically on your next session. Some Python dependencies will be downloaded and installed automatically in the background. After this step, you will notice that the extension GUI will pop up, but if we try to run it, you will notice some yellow warnings. That is because we have not yet installed PX4, and it is waiting for PX4 Signal to connect. If we wish to be able to run the example scripts provided by Pegasus, we will also need to install this extension as a library. For that, run the pip commands in the installation guide. Now, let's proceed with the PX4 installation. Start by installing the PX4 dependencies. Then, clone the PX4 autopilot repository to your home directory, following the instructions in the Pegasus documentation. CD into the PX4 autopilot repository, check out to the latest stable version and initialize the Git submodules. Now let's compile PX4 for running in simulation mode. In the end, a simulated PX4 autopilot will start automatically. Do Ctrl+C to stop it. Let's launch ICUAS again. Check if the PX4 path is correctly set up inside the Pegasus GUI. If not, set your custom installation directory and click Make Default. Now, if you start the simulation and open Q ground control, you will notice that your simulated vehicle pops up automatically. That's it, you can now use Pegasus with PX4 to simulate drones inside ICUAS.